I would request each one of you, as and when you get an opportunity, at least one aspect of what has been shown here today or in the last 5-6 days, whichever suits your taste, you should be able to talk about it in your near and dear circles so that people get interested in the activities of government, and only then will there be a natural good curiosity to know about government, and that would make departments of the government to function with greater sense of alacrity. So when we talk about minimum government, it is only when people are watching us and watching us in a discerning way. And maximum governance is arrived at only when people ask the right questions and we are able to remove all the deadwood undergrowth and make it primed for a bright Amrit Kaal, so that 2047 we are all able to, through our own selves or through the books or through our children, are able to see that India is now such a country where our youth, where our children, where our future lies, and all of them will be proud about it.